This video will demonstrate at a very high level how to place orders using Rival's option-specific algos. There is far more detail in our documentation website on how each of these algos works, which we invite you to read there. For the purposes of this video, we'll focus on order entry alone. The first algo we're going to look at today is the volatility algo. When clicking on a bid or an offer in the option chain, we open an order ticket, of course, and by default, we are going to enter this order in price terms. However, Rival gives you the opportunity to enter the order in volatility terms as well. So if I select volatility from this dropdown, we see that our vol level is pre-populated with Rival's calculated volatility for this strike, which is 1142, and we display the corresponding theoretical price. If I want to work this with a slightly higher vol level, I can select my vol level either by ticking or typing in and placing the order. The order will be worked at that vol level, updating with the price in the underlying to maintain that vol level regardless of the price of the option itself. The second algo we're going to look at today is the auto hedger. Auto hedge can be toggled on or off for any specific order, or it can be set on or off by default for all of your orders in your user trading settings. We'll go ahead and switch this to on, and we see that in this case, this 67.75 put has a delta of 45. So if I sell 20 of these, I'm expecting to sell a total of 9 futures against it. So when my auto hedge is on, I'll go ahead and submit this order, and we can see that we got filled on 20 options in our trade book down here, and against that we sold 9 futures to make that trade delta neutral. The next algo we're going to look at today is the minimum edge algo. Minimum edge allows users to specify the minimum edge to Rival's calculated theo that is required in order to keep this order working. If the price of the order comes within a nickel of Rival's theoretical value, this order will be automatically canceled. It will not be repriced, but it will be canceled to help users to stay out of the way of quick market moves. Finally, we've got the contingent order. Contingent order works a little bit like auto hedge in reverse, whereby you specify the futures level, or I should say the underlying level, because this may be used for equity options as well. You specify the underlying level at which you are comfortable executing this option order. Again, for more detail on each of these algos, please see our documentation.